Okay, this is how to change your closed caption in the language that you want to watch short. Just directions. Here we go. First thing, you're going to go up to your account. You're going to go to settings. Then you're going to go to playback and performances. Then you're going to go click include auto-generating captions when available. You need to click this button right here. Click it. Button clicked. Then you're going to go back to YouTube. When you go back to YouTube, then you're going to go play whatever video you want to play. Once you play the video, you're going to go to captions, turn it on. Then you go to turn the video on, auto translate. Then you're going to pick the language you want to translate into. Okay? There it is. Do that again. Auto translate. Let's do Japanese. There it is. Okay? That's how you get any video to play in the language you want to watch them in. All right? Peace.